Type. Now people say they can't see. Oh, I can't see. The lighting's terrible. The lighting's fucking lies, mate. All of them fucking lies, mate. Hey, and now for them books. Childish by TGF. Like, guys, I keep spending my money on this company. It's no good, you know. But the packaging that be getting me, man. Like, look at that. You're trolling me. Yeah, well, let's get into it, yeah. Yeah. Alright, so what's going on? These brothers know what they're doing. Oh, look at that. They all got a sticker. Alright, let's get changed. And we're back. Yeah. I thought this design was on the back, not the front. So this is, I might even be wrong. Is this even the front? This is the front. And this is the back. But I was in hope that this was the back and that back was the front, because I like having barely anything at the front and the real art at the back. You feel me? Because you're the real art. You're the real art. Well, hey, opening another package. This is the big body. The big body, everybody. Type stuff. And I'm supposed to get stickers. It might be in that old. I might check that one. It might be that one. Damn, how dark it is. Yeah, nah, actually, you still see it. 1 second. This whole time, yeah, we cool, whatever. T-shirt, front to the back. I was supposed to get stickers. Oh, yeah, I knew it, bro. You know where this goes? On the PlayStation. Forever and always, man. That's been a routine for a minute. And oh, I already know it's Garo. This is the big one. I just ripped it open. And I've been needing a new jacket. And you know, I don't really care about jackets. I just really need the new one. Oi. Hey, more stickers, let's go. I'll set these on my PS4. What hashing? Oh no, it's not a full zip jacket. It's like a half zip. It only goes up halfway on that. I must have set this one from there. Hold on. Let's see. Whoosh, man! You're trolling me. Look how long this. Hold on. Bro. Oh my heart. They done their thing, man. Oh my days. Hold on. So I'll just have to put it on like I'm putting it in the t-shirt now. Fucking hell. So every time I go, just go. Hey, you feel me? Y'all not fucking with me on the Joe Yang. Type stuff. type stuff. Why do I feel like it's just a big, it's a big puffer. It's not pat it down, it's just a big puffer. Just show you the back end. It's calm though, because I'm already getting hot wearing it. That just shows that it's good to hold the heat and that. But I'll be honest, that's all I got. That's all I got from this Childish drop. I wasn't a big fan of the hoodie. I feel like I just had too much writing on it for me. I'm a plain Jane guy. One sec, I'm gonna show you last time. 1 second though. This is what I mean by my plain Jane guy. This is like from the last drop. It's nice, plain simple, nothing too crazy. Nice, plain and simple, but it's a double jacket. That's beautiful concept. But yeah, the other hoodie just had so much. Like, this is the back of one of the Childish hoodies. See how it has nothing, but the front, bow, everything. Like, I would rather that than it just have so too much on there for me. So, but I'll show you another example quickly. Like, these are nice, spread out. Just got a bunch of stuff on there. And then bow, the front is, you know what I mean? That's just me still. I'll keep it a buck. But yeah, that is it for the Childish drop, because I didn't like everything on there for this one. Usually I grab everything. Like, my goal is to always get a t-shirt from my Childish drop or hoodie. And I got a t-shirt. Do you know what I mean? So it is what it is. But let me switch back into my other t-shirt. And that is a wrap, people. Hope you enjoyed. You already know I got another video coming for you. Do you know what I mean? Could you even see me throughout the video? Oh no. Oh no. Was it too low? Oh man. How high up am I, bro? Fucking hell, I forgot. Fuck. It is what it is.